So ayan guys, Lunes na naman ngayon, bagong simula na naman, bagong trabaho na naman. Pero ang destinasyon natin ngayon sa villasis. Yan. So tulad ni Lawak, no? Tulad ni Lawak at saka ni Alcala, si Villasis ay dati ding baryo ni Malasike noong 17th century, guys. Trivia na naman yan. Dati siyang baryo ng Malasike noong 17th century, at ang unang pangalan ng Villasis noon ay Panduyokan. Panduyokan, hinango sa isang bis na ang tawag daw noon ay Uyokan. So tinawag na Panduyokan. So yan yung trivia ko sa Villasis, no? So yan, habang hinihintay natin yung mga kasama natin, dadagdagan ko pa yung trivia na kunti lang naman. So yan, standby lang kayo. So ayan na nga mga kabilda, habang papunta tayo sa Villasis. Alam nyo ba na the town of Villasis was established on March 4, 1748. At kung ikaw ay mahilig sa talong, tortang talong, pritong talong, o kahit anong klase ng talong, paniguradong magugustuhan mo ito, kasi sila lang naman ang may talong festival. At ang sikat na trademark na makikita mo sa kanila bago ka pumunta ay ang Villasis Municipal Hall Clock. At update din natin na meron silang 21 na barangay. So ayan guys, Villasis na tayo, kabitan na naman. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa Santa Cruz Street, Poblacion, Villasis, Pangasinan. Ayan yung kanilang banner. Tapos yan sa loob yung kanilang steel. So yan, Lunes, kabitan.
I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a tough for me. And I want and need something that could challenge me, build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine, so I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I worked on my direction, yeah. We gon' hike through the flames, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame. We take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flames. We gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. Yeah, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make gains. We don't hide from the pain, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change. When I make that bet, got goals in my mind that I want real bad, so I work and strive to get all of that. Don't need any luck, my work pays off, cause the more I work, the more I take off. I don't lack direction, I'm never lost, always on play, never hit pause. And I teach classes on these things, lessons came through lyrically, but now I think it's time to be professor of the finer things, to guide the next, to try and be proactively trying things in the shadows quietly.
Yan, so yan guys, ito na yung config sa monitor nila. Yan, sa Villasis yan. Sa Bautista tayo bukas. Ayan, so ayan mga kabild, tapos na tayo dito sa Villasis. Ayan, so ano pang ginagawa? Pag tapos na, di uwian na.